Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today, we're going to make a very delicious, tasty, soft cinnamon roll that everybody can make. So without further ado, come on, let's start. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we have here 2.5 cups of baking flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt combined, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix everything. 3/4 cup of warm milk. Crack 1 egg. And mix, mix, mix. 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Combine everything. You will notice that once you start kneading the flour, it will stick into your hands, but do not worry, just knead it properly and it will form into a soft dough. Rest the dough for about an hour so it will rise up and double the size. Okay, so next we need to flatten the dough. And you can also use rolling pin and make a rectangular shape. Okay, this time we already make a rectangular shape. Next, we need to apply unsalted butter throughout the surface. Make sure you apply it evenly. Next, spread the cinnamon mix evenly all over the surface. Next, we need to roll it like a cylinder shape. Now let's divide it. So it's time for us to bake the cinnamon roll. I preheat the oven 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and this time we're going to bake this cinnamon roll for about 20 minutes. So let's take it out. Ooh. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next cooking vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe.